your girl Chab. Today I'm coming at you with the face off. We are going to be comparing the Tati Beauty Blendiful to the Beauty Blender. It's a brand new beauty blender here for you today. All nice, all clean, all ready to go. All of y'all used a beauty blender before, but here on the scene, we have the Tati Beauty Blendiful. We're gonna see if she is innovation. We're gonna see if she is what the claims hype up her to be. Okay, she's a she today, okay, because it's Tati. Hi, Tati. We're gonna see if this is going to put on my foundation better than a beauty blender. We're gonna do cream products on the face. We're gonna see if this is worth the money. So if you want to know my thoughts, if you want to know if this product is right for you, if you want to see who is the superstar, the beauty blender or the Blendiful, then let's get started. All right, guys, so what are we going to be doing today? We're going to put on a full face, but we're going to use one side with a beauty blender. We all know her, we all love her. The other side, we're going to be using the Tati Beauty Blendiful. Okay, there's two different ones here. There's the tiny chiquito papito, and then there's the big grande mama size, juice grande, Ariana Grande size. So we're going to be testing it out and putting it on the face. Majority of the products I'm going to be using are products that I already know work, that I already like. A lot of them are going to be cream products. I don't really use powders anymore. I'm not going to be using powders in this video, so sorry, but I just feel like, you know, with the beauty blender especially, you know, I don't bake anymore, so we're not going to be doing any of that, but I want to blend everything out and see how the Blendiful actually really works. If y'all want to know about the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette, the texture neutrals, here it is. It's already Chab approved, okay? I already like it. I'm not gonna, you know, no. We're already old, okay? We're trying to stay hip, up to date, okay? As always with any product review, I like to read about it. If you don't want to hear me ramble and rant and read, then you could skip to here. Yo, welcome. We are on the Tati Beauty website. This is just an e-commerce brand. This is new, okay? It's for $18 retails. I think it's like around the same price, if not a little less expensive than the beauty blender. I think they're like $18, $20 possibly. Yeah, anyway. It says the Blendiful is the makeup applicator you didn't know you needed. This game-changing soft texture fabric tool is a blending dream that's designed to seamlessly apply and soften both liquid and powder products. The rounded edge and pointed tip help to provide a perfect blend, step to step, in your makeup application. Buff in foundation with little product waste, experience seamless contour, smoother concealer, and the most airbrush powder application, even in those hard to reach areas of the face. Save products, save time, and become the expert artist of your own unique routine. However you choose to use the Blendiful, your look will be one with no harsh lines every time. Cool. I feel like I read that kind of whatever, but anyway, let's talk about how to use it, which really, they kind of already said that in the description, but cleaning. So I want to talk about that real quick, okay? Over here on the website, it says machine wash and dry in Delicate's laundry bag, or gently wash in warm soapy water, rinse thoroughly, and blot to dry. Do not bleach, do not dry clean. As far as maintaining and taking care of this thing, I pretty much treat it kind of like a beauty blender. So when I wash it, I just use a brush cleaner, something that doesn't have any alcohol in it, just a soap pretty much. Pretend this hand is the soap. I just pretty much, you know, run it through and then I squeeze it out, get all the, you know, nasties on it. I've already used this, so it's fresh and clean. It's brand new and stuff. Doesn't have any product residue on it. I've washed both of these already, so they're all very clean. The only thing is that because it's gonna be wet for a little bit, usually I'll dry it overnight and then I'll use it again later on. Whereas a beauty blender, you can use it wet. What I do like about this is that you can use multiple sides. So say you use this whole side for your foundation and concealer and powder, then you can flip this onto the other side and, you know, you have this where the Tati Beauty is covered up, and you can use the other side for, you know, blush, contour, whatever you like to do, highlight. And so I think that's just pretty cool. Beauty blender on the other hand, I mean, yeah, you can just use like the whole circumference of the blender. Then there's this small guy right here, which I feel like the texture is different from the other one. I like that this covers a lot more face, as you can see. I got a big face. And then this little guy you could probably use for like powder or concealer under the eye. I just feel like this one's a little more thickums and stuff because, you know, they're trying to pack all of this nice material on here. But anyway, let's get on with the face, shall we? So I want to do a whole entire face using the Blendiful. I already got a moisturizer on, and I also use the Glossier Future Dew Oil Serum Hybrid. I like this stuff because it makes my skin look freaking beautiful. Let's apply our makeup. We're gonna start off with my favorite, the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. I just heard that, you know, this gives you a superstar youth glow. So I'm gonna apply it like I would regularly, like that. Usually I'm like, oh, I'm gonna put it on my highest points. No, I'm gonna put it like everywhere. Hello? Just so y'all know, this side will be for the Beauty Blender. This side will be for the Blendiful. So let's go. We already know her. Let's blend this out. Beautiful, nice, seamless. I mean, this is not the foundation, but everything is just spread out nice and even. So let's go in with the Blendiful here. All right, so this is the side with the Blendiful. I feel like this side, I blended it out really quickly just because I have all this to use, and I also feel like my skin might be a little glowier. I don't know. No, I'm just kidding. It looks the same to me, but let me know in the comments down below which side looks glowier. Let's go on with foundation now. So I've been trying this new foundation. I'm probably not gonna do a review on it because I just instantly liked it, and it would just be a 15-minute video of me raving about a foundation that I really like. So we're gonna be doing the new Makeup Forever Reboot foundation. This is a brightening, smooth, firms, hydrates, and evens out. It's got a nice natural slash kind of dewy finish. I love it. So I got 2 pumps on the back of my hand. I'm gonna do the Beauty Blender side first. Usually my shade is Y365, but my shade right now is Y305. It's 305, sorry. This combination together, oh, okay, I have not used this foundation with the Blendiful yet. I've used the Blendiful with other foundations before. So let's see how this goes. But I really like this foundation. I trust it. I've used it with a brush and a sponge, so it's good stuff. Let's see, let's blend it. All right, again, beautiful application. This foundation, oh, look at my skin. Oh, definitely what I can say so far with the Blendiful is that it blends quickly because literally I just go blah, 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 blah. That's it, and it's done, and it's over with, and my face is covered. What I will say is that it's not giving me more coverage, at least what I see from the mirror here. Like, I see that my face has even amount of coverage. I'm not applying more or less onto the face. I'm applying an even amount of product on both sides, so I don't see a difference so far. Next, we're gonna be going with concealer. I'm using another new product I already love. Look, I'm a bougie queen, okay, real quick. I'm a bougie queen. Some of my favorite complexion products are from Dior. I said it, I put it out into the universe. You can do whatever you want with it, okay? But this is the Dior Forever Skin Correct, and I have the shade 2WO. It's like an olive tone, but this is like more yellow because like the warm is too red and the cool is too pink. So I'm just applying a little bit of concealer right there under the eye because that's pretty much where I need it. Maybe a little bit like around like here because I am a little bit of red. I don't do too much and stuff. A lot of times I'll just, you know, I'll forget about it, or I'll just add some more foundation to the areas that I want to conceal a little bit more, but whatever. Anyway, so let's use the Beauty Blender. Quick, easy, beautiful. We already know her. We already know the Beauty Blender. Now the Blendiful. Okay, here is where I'm seeing the difference. So with my concealer on this side, it's pretty much like almost kind of like I didn't put on concealer, but a little bit. You know, like it's brightened, okay? It's brightened. On the other side here, you can see that there is more product that's left behind. So I like, but not a huge difference. Now we're gonna go on to bronzer. I like the Hoola Quickie contour stick. It's not a contour stick. I'm gonna let you know right now because this junk is very warm. Look at that. That's very warm. Anyway, so what I like to do is actually draw it on a little bit. Usually I'll use this with a brush, but because I'm using these, I don't want to go in and do that. So I'm just gonna draw it on the face. So let's do the same amount on both sides. Kind of, yeah. And then I don't really contour. I'll take it like up on the cheek like that. This is a lot of product, so let's see what this does for me. Put a little bit on the nose. Got a little bit of sun, you know what I'm saying? Okay, we're done. How many times people have made that joke? Comment down below. Anyway, let's blend this out. There we go. So beautiful bronze, nice, quick, easy cream. There we go. Now let's do this side with the Blendiful. Nice, seamless, beautiful. I'm gonna say that multiple times because it just looks good. Hello. So here we are with the face. Nice, we are bronzed, beautiful. I love it. What I do want to say is that when blending out my cream contour, I just felt like a little blotchiness on this side. So I had to use a little more elbow work when it came to blending. And I know that in her video, you want to like roll and do that, but like my intuition tells me to just do this and pat. So I mean, like I could do this, but I feel like I'm not doing anything. Also the carpal tunnels, man. We don't want to do that. Anyway, so let's go on to blush. Glossier, you know the drill. This is the colored beam. So I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand like so. Here we go. This is enough to cover the whole entire face. And then what I'll do is dot it on the face and blend it out. So Beauty Blender side, here we go. All right, this is one side blushed up with the Beauty Blender. Now the other side, we're going to use the Blendiful. All right, so we are all blushed up. What I will say also with the blush is that I didn't have to reapply more blush onto this side, whereas this one I did. And even then I feel like I have, like the blush is a little more brighter on this side than it is on this side. Now what I wanna do is apply some highlighter. So my favorite highlighter. I missed you, baby girl. You haven't been here in a while. This is the Heaven's Hue highlighter in the shade Kitten. This just gives off a natural, like wet, dewy, like the camera isn't doing it justice. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it onto the skin with a sponge. Usually I use a brush for this, but we're gonna do with a sponge like I've never done it before. Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up the product. It's like a cream to powder formula. It's like a putty. It's like a bouncy putty goodness. Anyway, so I got the product here. I'm gonna apply it with the Beauty Blender on the Beauty Blender side. Say that 10 times. Here we go. Nice, glowy, dewy, like who is she? We know her. She's glowy. Now the Blendiful side. Woo, there it is. Here we go. So for me, this looks a little weird on the face and stuff. I feel like it applied a little too much. But not only that, I feel like it really took in like the powderiness of this formula, because this product, like I said, is one of my favorites. It's a cream to powder formula, so it goes on like this, but it's mostly a cream, I feel. When I picked it up, kind of like starts to granulate a little bit. You can't really see it very much, but it almost packs it on too much to the point where it's not glow anymore. Maybe I should have rubbed it in, but I don't want to move all the product on underneath. But when I rub it in, look how beautiful. Like it just, you know, it's natural. Let me see if I rub it in a little bit. Oh, now the shine is here. I had my reservations, but we're here. Okay, so we have all the face on for the most part. Let me just apply a little bit of brow, and then we'll talk about, I just hurt my hand. Ow. I know I didn't try the little chiquito. I don't want to because it's supposed to be the same thing. You already know. I don't really like it. Let me apply some eyebrow, and then we'll get on to my final thoughts on how I feel about the Tati Beauty Blendiful. All right, guys, full face is on. Natural daytime, going to the grocery store, picking up the kids from the pool, but also trying to find me a man. The results are in. Look at this face. You see this face, how nice and glowy and dewy. Who is the winner? Is it the Beauty Blender or is it the Tati Beauty Blendiful? Girl, show yo. It's both. They both work the same, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna let you know right now. They both work the same. So let me get onto the drum roll real quick, and this is gonna be real quick. I'm telling you now. Ready? It is Chab approved, okay? It's a good product. Now, uno momento, por favor, okay? Sorry, my Spanish is really bad. Please don't clock me in the comments down below. It's a good product, okay? Is it innovative? Is it like breaking boundaries? Is it like, you know, oh my God, like I need to leave all my beauty blenders behind, all my brushes. Do I need to leave them for this product here alone? No. Yes, this does a lot. You know, I like that, you know, you have all this surface to cover with, and I will be using it in the future. So if you see it in videos, you're like, Chab, but you said blah, blah. Wait, sponges do the exact same thing as this. Yeah, is it cool? Yeah, is it like a little different? Totally. But is there products out there that are similar to this? Totally. Beauty Blender actually has like a puff kind of like this too, which I've never tried, and I'm not saying go buy it. But at the end of the day, you know, this is a good product. Will I keep using it? Yes. Do I recommend you buying it? You can if you want. It is Chab approved, because it's not a bad product, but you don't have to go buy it. Especially if you're like me, where you don't like to buy things online because you want to see it in store, you want to feel it, you want to touch it. It just feels like those nice soft blankets. Like literally you could make a DIY. Next video, should I make a DIY Tati Beauty Blendiful? Comment down below. Oh my god, that'd be so cool. But anyway, let me know in the comments down below how you feel about this. If you tried it before, if you're thinking about trying it and you're like, Chad, but you said that blah blah blah. Do you think it is a cash grab? No, I'm just kidding. Let me know in the comments down below. I'd like to have a conversation with you. Bring up my engagement, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit the notification bell because y'all got make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. But for real, dude, where all y'all use a blue, I put it out into the universe. I mean, let me you know, Valentine's Day just passed. I'm just kidding. Did my dog just cry? Anyway, I'm looking for a dad.